I think it is high time I take high time I take it down because it's been on my hair for like a month now. And these are the products I'm going to be using. This is the Olive Miracle Growth Sheen, and this is a leave-in conditioner. I'm going to be taking this. Let's go. You see how slimy that is? That is exactly what I am looking to get. And I'm going to spray my head down with this. Taking down process with this makes it easier. I had this hair in for like a month now. So it is time. It's definitely time to take it out because it itches a lot. I have a bunch of growth. Let me show you guys. Look at that actual growth. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, yeah. One hair down. I'm going to continue, but I'm tired already. Look at the hair, like guys. My hair is so disgusting. So disgusting. Okay, I'm going to do the rest off camera because my hair is stressing me now. I'm like by this side and it's very hard for me to do this side. So I'm going to do it off camera. I'm going to come back and show you guys the hair, and then we are going to do a wash because I'm washing my hair today. I'm not leaving it in like this. Last piece. And I'm done. I did get a lot of hair from this last one, so I'm going to actually try it again. But this time around, I'm going to try doing mini braids or mini twists. I don't know yet. I'm going to go ahead and wash. This is all the hair. Oh my god, this is all the hair. I've not yet combed it out and I'm itching everywhere, so I'm going to be using my Ella mentholated shampoo. This is for dandruff control, scalp soothing, cooling, deep cleansing, ideal for both natural and chemically processed hair. I cannot talk. Yes, this is what I am going to be using because my hair itches a lot, so I'm going to be using this because I've stretched my wash day. This is going to be the most perfect product for my hair. Now I'm going to do this sensitive by nature conditioner, sulfate free co-wash intensive conditioning treatment. This is it. I'm going to be using this as my conditioner and conditioning treatment, and I'm going to be using this TCB, both of them. This is the leave-in treatment, which contains shea butter and coconut oil, and this is Indian herb hair food. So I'm going to be using both of them together. If you look in, you'll see that I have definitely been using this, and this is almost out. Before then, I'm definitely going to go out and comb my hair. I'm not going to do it inside my bedroom because I don't want my hair everywhere on the floor. So yeah, this is everything almost, because I think I threw a few pieces out, but this is everything I had from the second half. I'm going to go wash my hair, get back and do my normal routine, and I'm also not going to be taking you guys along. Probably, maybe, I'm just saying. But if I decide to take you guys along, yeah, I'll still take you. But if I don't, I'll just go wash my hair and get back here. I'm done combing out my hair. Took me a minute. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and wash. I don't think I'll be taking you guys along because I said maybe not. I just came out from the bathroom and we are going to start moisturizing. These are the two products, like I said before. These are what I'm going to be using. This is almost out. There's barely anything inside. I put my hair into this twist just to make it easier to wash, because it tangles up a lot more easier than I thought it would. So I think I'm going to dry my hair with a blow dryer because I'm not going to go to bed with this wet hair. I'm not. I need my hair stretched. But if I don't, I don't know. Let's just wait and see how it turns out. So I'm going to take just filled it everywhere. This is it. Guys, I may have to get another leave-in conditioner because this particular one is out of it. It's not like enough for my hair. When it comes to my hair products, it is way harder for me to like walk into a shop and get it. I'm just doing one side and look at this. It's not working. I think I might get another leave-in because this particular one is not doing it for me and I'm out of it. So, okay, I have this. Is it open? Yes, it is. And I'm also almost out of this particular one. I'm going to try and focus it here. I'm almost out of this one. This one is the one I use for hair styling, like if I'm styling my customers' hair, because I am a hairstylist, right? So that's the one I use. I'm going to take that and apply all over perimeters of my hair, and then down on my scalp. Oh, that feels good. Shake it. I'm going to leave it out, and that is it for this video. I don't know if I'm going to do my hairstyle on camera, but I think I'm going to try and do my mini twist or mini braids by myself. But if I can't, I mean, it's not that expensive, I'll just go out and get it. But if I decide to do it on my own, I'm also going to come back here and show you guys. I don't think I've ever done any natural hairstyle on my channel, but I am definitely going to be starting soon. That is one of the things I want to start on my channel, showing off my natural hair and how I basically take care of it. So I don't know if you guys can see me, but yeah, this is the hair. This is my mini twist, and I'll definitely be wearing it this way. As you can see, I have grown a lot of hair. I didn't do it myself, by the way. I actually went out to get it done by a hairstylist, a professional. I didn't do it myself, so I'm going to just put it here, just tell you guys that I went to do it outside. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this particular one. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and also stick around for the next one. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.